People often face issues when sharing a mobile hotspot with a PC. Common problems include the PC showing limited internet access or not connecting at all. These issues can happen due to incorrect settings, outdated drivers, or even mobile network restrictions. Sometimes specific problems like IP conflicts, unsupported Wi-Fi adapters, or outdated drivers can cause trouble. Let's go step by step to resolve this problem effectively. 1. Verify Wi-Fi adapter compatibility. A Wi-Fi adapter allows your PC to connect to wireless networks. However, not all adapters support mobile hotspots. You'll need to check if yours is compatible. Here's how. Press Windows and S on your keyboard to open the search bar. Type command prompt, right-click, and choose Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type the following command in command prompt. netsh space, wlan space, show space, drivers. Now press Enter. Look for the line that says Hosted Network Supported. If it says no, your adapter doesn't support mobile hotspots. In this case, upgrading to a newer adapter that supports hosting wireless networks will solve the issue. Quick tip. Some mobile phones let you switch between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands for the hotspot. Make sure your PC's Wi-Fi adapter supports the chosen frequency. If it's unclear, try both bands to see which one works. 2. Update or reinstall Wi-Fi adapter drivers. Wi-Fi adapters rely on drivers to function correctly. Outdated or corrupted drivers are a common cause of hotspot issues. Here's how to fix them. Press Windows and X, then select Device Manager. Expand the Network Adapters section. Right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter and choose Update Driver. Follow the prompts to search for updated drivers online. If updating doesn't work, return to Device Manager, right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and select Uninstall Device. Restart your PC and Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. For certain adapters, you may need to manually download the latest drivers from the manufacturer's website. Check the model number on the adapter or its packaging, search for the drivers online, and install them. Don't forget to restart your PC after installation. 3. Ensure IP assignment is automatic, DHCP. Incorrect IP settings are another common cause of connectivity issues. Make sure your PC is set to obtain an IP address automatically. Open the Settings menu by pressing Windows and I. Go to Network and Internet, then find Advanced Network Settings. Select your network adapter, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, then click View Additional Properties. Check the IP assignment setting. If it's set to manual, click Edit and switch it to automatic DHCP. Save your changes and restart your PC. This step ensures your PC gets the correct network configuration from the hotspot. Run the Network Adapter Troubleshooter. Windows includes a built-in troubleshooter to automatically detect and resolve network issues. Press Windows and I to open the Settings menu. Go to Windows Updates, then Recovery option. Now at this stage, click on Fix Problems Without Resetting Your PC. Navigate to other troubleshooters. Click on Run to run the Network and Internet Troubleshooter. Some Windows, like mine, doesn't support this function, as it LTSC version. In this case, simple search for Network Troubleshooter. Click on the Advanced, then Run as Administrator. Now click on Next. This will run the troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions to resolve any errors. This method is great for fixing minor software-related issues. 5. Disable Bluetooth. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi often share frequency bands, which can cause interference. Disabling Bluetooth can eliminate this problem. Open the Settings menu by pressing Windows and I. Go to Bluetooth and Devices. Now again, click on Devices, select your Bluetooth device and disable it. In my case, I don't have one. Turn off Bluetooth and test the hotspot again. 6. Restart Mobile Hotspot Service. The Mobile Hotspot service in Windows manages the hotspot feature. If it glitches, restarting the service can help. Press Windows and R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Find Windows Mobile Hotspot service, right-click it, and select Restart. This refreshes the service and ensures it functions correctly. 7. Reset network settings. If all else fails, resetting network settings can resolve deeply rooted issues. Open the Settings menu, go to Network and Internet, then find Advanced Network Settings. select Network Reset and click Reset Now. Note, this will erase all saved Wi-Fi passwords, so you'll need to reconnect to your networks afterward. If the issue still persists, restart your mobile device and ensure that mobile internet is enabled while sharing the hotspot. Also, check that power saving mode in your mobile. If it's disable it in your phone. That's it, guys. Hopefully your hotspot is now working perfectly. Subscribe Windows Fixer. See you.